Good morning, everyone. Well, today I'm going to do a layout share, and I'm also going to share the swap embellishments that I got. Now, I actually only did like one or two. I think I did 2 swaps, but I've only got back one so far, and I know the other one is in the mail. And I made a card, and I made some. What else did I make? I made base pages and some kits, and I did a whole lot of cleanup in my art room. But yeah, I had something going on every day except for Sundays. And then this Sunday I was supposed to make jewelry, and I made a dozen pairs of earrings, and then the rest of the time all I did was clean my art room. So okay, here's one of the cards I made. The other 2 cards I made, the one with the bike on it, and also the baby card. I've already given them away. But so I was so glad that I had some made up. Well, the baby card I made on purpose, you know, for her. But the other card, it's like it had the little bike on it, and I actually gave it away as an anniversary card, so that worked out nice. So I still have this one. And then my first layout, and this is with my collection obsession. This one's for Ashton's book, and when his mom said, "What are you doing?" he said, "I'm going to get the donut." That was so cute. Love this collection. It's so pretty. Their lake is usually bright and sunny. I know depending on what lake you go to it's different, but a lot of the papers are a little darker, and so I really like this collection. It's called By the Lake by Mente. I like this because it looks like the lake that they're always at. And I've been there too, but I didn't go this year. Okay, I think I usually get there once a year, but I still haven't been there yet. And then this one is actually for Aiden. And it's like he's here, goofing with the girls. And you know boys. And then and he got the one with the swing. I love the swing. And on the other one, actually I think this is, yep, here's the swing here. It's like, I wish I would have planned that better, but it's like, I really love this too. When I put this up against these papers, it's like that was it. So, you know, sometimes you sacrifice the paper. That's the worst part about having double-sided paper when they're both gorgeous. So this is my second one with the collection obsession. And so this one is for Alex's book, and it's like she's a goofball. So see, she's in more pictures, and she manages to, you know, she just happens to be where mom's at with the camera. So, yep, she got 6 pictures. You see, Ashton got 2 because he didn't like this as much. He liked being on the boat. So, but I didn't get any pictures of him on the boat. Okay, so then there was this one. I love this. Love Mente's birds are just gorgeous. I mean, look at the ducks. They're beautiful. I'm going to show you up close because they are just so pretty. Love them. Okay, and then I did this picture of Alex that I had this kit put together, and so I thought I'm going to get that done. So this is for her. I've already done his, I think it was during the 3rd days of sketches. And there was actually 2 pictures with him in it. So in this one, Aiden got more pictures and she got just 1. But and this is a Christmas collection, and it's so pretty, so feminine, just gorgeous. So that was fun. And I had done this once quite a while ago, and I thought I should do that a lot more. I love the ribbons, just like 3 bows just at one edge of the layout. I think it's so cute. Okay, and this was Cartabella. I think this was actually Echo Park 2, and this is Cartabella. And I don't remember which line, but you know, the video is down below. Okay, and this is another Mente, and it's called Lighthouse. And I was actually doing fast sketches. Actually, this looks like one of the fast sketches, even though I didn't do a fast sketch for this one. This one was a fast sketch. or they were called Speedy Sketches. So, and you see this is basically the same thing. But I actually didn't use it as a Speedy Sketch. I don't remember which other one I used as a Speedy Sketch. Oh, this one here with the torn paper. So that was a Speedy Sketch too. I forgot that. And this was one of the Speedy Sketches, and it was actually, it started out as a circle, and then I think they had some circles, like half circles. Now I don't even remember, but that's what kind of got me on this one. But somebody said, well, it doesn't look very speedy, but really, it's like there was already a lot of embellishments on here, and then I just added some here, just kind of here and there. But it was already embellished a lot, so I didn't have to add too much. But I love how this turned out, and it was just so cute because Mom just caught him sailing his boat in the sink, and Mom doesn't miss a beat. She's got her phone, whips that baby out, and gets some pictures. And I just think it's so cute. Love it. And then this one here actually was from, these were all this year's pictures, except for, of course, the baby pictures because they're 10 now. But these, the lake pictures. And then these ones were from last year. And this is where I used the 6x8, and then I used a 12x12 wood paper from the collection. This is the back, which is gorgeous too. But I cut these down so that they're all kind of framed. And then the 6x8 is, like the big embellishment on the layout. And then I used one of the cards here. When I had all these pictures, I actually thought about laying them all on the section or the 3x4 paper. I almost thought about using that, but then I thought I really want to use this because they have the walk out to the deck out to the, or whatever they call this. What's it called? Is that a deck when it walks out to the water?
Yes.
Okay. Pier. Yeah, so they have that going out to their lake to get on the boat and stuff. So I thought, oh, it'd be really cute to use that. And so this one is actually for my oldest grand. This is for hers. And she's here, she's there. She's one of these kids here, probably this one with her hair in her face. I don't know. And I know her sister's on here too someplace, and then her boyfriend, and they're doing, I think they call it chicken. And then they're riding on the wild raft ride. So that's all the layouts I actually got done, with the exception of base pages, if you want to count them. And then this was called what? I think it was called Red Hot. So for Red Hot, I did Raggedy Ann and Andy, and I kept 2 for myself because I got lots of grands. I'm sure I can use them. And so I made quite a few of those, and they took days. And I got to tell you, my cookie one, that took, I think, even longer. And Alex helped me with these, so that was nice because she was here then. And so this is the Red Hot swap. And look I brought them in, stuck them in my container, my candy container that I keep them in, and never even looked at them. So that's just how I roll around here. This one's called All Dressed Up. And wouldn't that be pretty for a prom layout? And let's see. And this is by Jennifer S., it looks like. So I don't actually remember seeing a Jennifer, so she might be new. And this one here does not have a name on it, but it's all tropical. And it's got one of those tropical birds, which I have no idea what kind it is. And here's some, this is from Marianne, so I don't know if maybe these are from her too. I don't know. Sometimes I just don't know. Okay, I'm gonna try to keep these all in. Okay, and this, I thought this was so cute. Okay, we got these little summer people, and they're from Delores. I think it's called, oh no, Delores, sorry. It looks like a bee over here. It's Delores. Okay, so these little people, and she's got on a little strawberry outfit. Is so adorable. Okay, and then I showed this to my husband. I said, look at, they got a fire station. Because our fire station looks like a barn. It's super cute. And this is super cute, super dimensional. I know I can use that. Okay, these are just adorable. I love these. This is from Nora. I'm not going to take them out of here because I think you can probably see them good enough. They almost look like fabric. They are just so beautiful. I could like a few of these. They're just so pretty. And then look at how cute this is, an apple tree. Definitely can use that. Our apple tree looks really sad this year. I don't know what his problem is. Our apple tree expert, he thinks it might be because it's too hot. I don't know. And maybe it doesn't seem like it's getting enough water, even though it seems like it rains a lot now this year. So I don't know, but anyhow, on and on about my tree. But these are all just amazing. I can totally see myself using everything. And then we got fireworks. So that's really cute. Just adorable. There's some little tiny stars. I won't bother knocking them out because I'll keep them in there. Super cute. So the other thing I was doing, I did finally put away all the ones that I had. I had just like, we were getting company and I never even put those last ones away. That I just like put them in a box and had to put them away. So that was what I did part of my day off, that when I should have been making jewelry, but at least I got that done because I'm really happy about that because I can actually see my counter now, which is amazing. I'll show you. I'm so happy with it. Let's see. Oh my gosh, did I not take a picture? Oh, I dusted it and everything and didn't even take a picture. Okay, because I thought I gotta take a picture of it, show it to my friend because she was just over here today and seen my mess. Okay, so that's it. Tomorrow, I think I'm gonna do a little show and tell with some cards that I have that I made, and because I'm gonna go through them. I actually have, I'll just tell you a little bit about them now. Like, we used to do a card class, and this I actually gave to my mom or my mother-in-law, and anyhow, it's like my mother-in-law and maybe my mom too would give me the cards back because they're like, you know, I'm not going to keep them and I don't want to throw them away because you made them. So then I took them off and I thought maybe I could do something with them, you know, after, you know, I just cut off the part that I wrote on and stuff. So I've got a few like that. So, and then I'm going to have a giveaway. So that's it. I'm going to have a little show and tell and a giveaway, and I got to go get my dinner out of the oven. And I'll see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.